Welcome to our Control4 handheld all-in-one remote tutorial. In this demonstration, we're going to look at the SR-260 system remote. This remote will take all the features and functions of each individual remote you have and compile them all into one easy-to-use device. So the first thing you'll probably notice is the big red button. This is going to be your starting point when using the system, regardless of what source you want to watch, listen to, or control. Everything from here and above is going to be your system functions or the things you want to do. If you want to watch a source, if you want to listen to a source, if you want to power up the system, go to your on-screen navigator, or if you want to turn the room off. You'll also notice the LCD screen. Everything from here and below will be buttons related to your device functions. For example, if you select cable as a source, these buttons will control your cable box. Now that we're familiar with the remote's basic layout, let's take a deeper dive into the LCD display and the buttons functions. On the LCD screen, you will see the signal status from your remote to your processor, the time, the battery status, the room that the remote was programmed to control, and after making a selection, the device you're controlling. You can use the volume up and down and mute to control your audio system regardless of what source you've selected, as long as a source is selected. If your source is cable, you can use the guide, page up and down, channel up and down, arrows and select, info, menu, numerical, color, and back buttons to navigate your cable box's guide and menus. If you have a DVR cable box, you can also utilize the playback control wheel. It's important to note that sometimes, due to limitations within Spectrum's cable boxes, the cable box may not power on with the Control4 system properly. When this happens, all of your AV equipment will power on and switch to the correct input as expected, but you will see a no signal message on the screen. We at Control Freaks have made it our practice to program the green button as a solution to this dilemma until Spectrum develops a resolution within their own equipment. If you encounter this no signal error, just press the green button. It will simply send the power command to the cable box when it's selected as a source and the system is powered on. If you have a streaming device such as a Roku or Apple TV, after selecting the device as a source, you will use the arrow and select to navigate, and the menu button will serve as a back button. Now, let's see it in action. With the system completely powered down, we're going to press the red button, and this is how Control4 helps us simplify technology. With that one button press, the system is doing quite a lot behind the scenes. It's powering your AVR on and switching to the correct input for the on-screen navigator. It's powering the selected source on and also the TV. Based on your setup from initial startup, give Control4 about 10 to 15 seconds to get everything going. Once you've landed on the on-screen navigator, we can use the arrows and select buttons to select our desired AV source. When the selection is made, your system will switch inputs and allow you to control that source on the remote using the methods previously covered. To quickly recap, Step 1, press the red button. Step 2, give Control4 the time to prepare your entertainment. Step 3, select the source you want to watch. And Step 4, enjoy. When you're done using your system, you simply press the off button and Control4 will power down any and all necessary equipment in the room. And that's it for the system remote tutorial. If you have any other questions, we're available by phone and email 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.